Why should we follow safety rules on the road? Careless driving and carelessness of the pedestrians cause accidents on the road. Such accidents occur due to our carelessness. So children, we should follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Now let's see how we can stay safe while walking and traveling on the road. Always walk on the footpath. They are meant for us. Children, when there is no footpath, walk in the right side margin of the road so that you can see the traffic coming in the opposite direction. Do not run on the road. Do not play on the road. Play at home or in a park. Go to the road or roadside always with an elder. When there is no traffic lights, look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right. When you see no vehicles coming, cross the road. Always use zebra crossing to cross the road. While crossing the road, let an elder hold your hand. Children, you should not walk alone on the road. Stay on the left side of the road while riding a bicycle. Do not run after a moving bus. Get up only when it stops completely. Always wear a helmet while riding on a two-wheeler or bicycle. Always wear a seat belt when you are in a four-wheeler. Always keep your head and your hand inside the vehicle. Do not lean outside the window because you may get hurt. Do not get off from a moving vehicle because you never know, you may fall and get hurt. Always wait for the vehicle to stop completely. Do not push others when getting on or off the bus. Stand in a queue and wait for your turn. Children, now I'm going to tell you about the traffic lights. You must have seen the traffic lights on the road, right? Look children, can you see these three colors? These are called traffic lights. Each color indicates something. So let's see what these colors tell us. On the top we have red light. In the middle we have amber or yellow light. At the bottom we have green light. What does red light say? Red light says stop. It means we have to stop our vehicle. And what does amber or yellow light say? It says wait and get ready, which means we have to wait and get ready for the green signal. And what does green light say? It says go. So children, we should move our vehicle only when the light is green color. Children, for crossing the road also, we follow signals. These signals are called pedestrian signals. It tells us when it is safe to cross the road. We have two lights in pedestrian signals, red light and green light. When it shows red light, it means we should not cross the road. And when it shows green light, it means we should cross the road.